I'm back and time to do the rest of it, which is honestly quite a lot. It's a long video. I still have my coffee because इतनी coffee आई है भाई आदमी कैसे पिएगा? चलो okay ठीक है. Now what we are gonna focus on अभी is this area, which is the description of the profile, then a few buttons, and then this open to work वाला space. ठीक है. Actually इसमें भी let's first focus on the description area only. ठीक है. Okay. But before we do that, I think we have these two icons. One is for LinkedIn Premium. Another is the edit icon that we have to place. So वो कर देते हैं हम जल्दी से. Again, you can find these in the assets का page. So this is the LinkedIn one. This is the edit one. I'm gonna take both. Control C, Command C. ठीक है. Come here, select the frame, and then put in both these icons. ठीक है. I'm gonna first I have to place the edit icon. ठीक है. And I'm gonna turn on the rulers again just to see where they sit. So somewhat here, somewhat here. इसके बीच में है ना. So I'm just gonna make sure that it somewhat sits बीच में ही, and it's इसको we'll keep it 16, and then this LinkedIn का icon, and इसको हम थोड़ा eyeball कर लेंगे. Let's keep it 12. Actually, it's more. इतना. ठीक है. Okay. Then I'm gonna turn off my rulers. But before we move forward, एक बार layers panel पे नज़र मार लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं how everything has laid out in the layers panel and how it actually looks like. इससे पहले कि हम इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें भर दें and then it becomes so messy that it becomes very difficult for us to understand. It's better that we look at it right now. So let's take a look at that. Okay. So what is happening right now? I want you to look at the relationship between all the elements that have been placed so far. ठीक है. So profile is one frame. ठीक है. All the elements that we have put right now, they all live inside the frame. So the moment you click on it in the layers panel, you can see that a lot of things have been selected, which is profile as the main element, and you see there's a slight icon at the left side of it, which tells that everything else, everything like all these cover and then this profile image and the edit icons and everything, they sit inside this frame. So they are highlighted accordingly. And then there is another element, which is the image, which sits parallel to this profile ka page. Okay? What else do we are seeing? Then we have, let's take a look at all the elements. We have this LinkedIn ka logo, okay, which is put inside. So it's made using different vectors or whatever. So this is one. We have the edit icon, okay. Then we have this ellipse because it was image. एक काम करते हैं इनको accordingly name भी कर देते हैं, ठीक है. So this is going to be profile image. ठीक है, I'm going to close it. This is another edit icon, okay. This is the background for that edit. I'm going to let it be for now. This is the cover, settings icon, back, text or rectangle. ठीक है. For now, let it stay like that. Okay. So this is how our layers panel will look like. ठीक है. This is how the relationship will be. जितनी भी elements आप frame में डालोगे, that's how it will be shown in the layers panel as well. ठीक है. Now let's move on and start working on the description of the profile. So what do we see here? We have the main name, which seems to be a bit more in terms of hierarchy, as in visually वो थोड़ा stronger है compared to the rest of the description. Then we have this icon. We have the gender space. We have the description. We have the location. Then we have some text buttons technically. So इनके ऊपर अगर आप click करो, you go somewhere, right? So these are the links which are clickable. Then we have some buttons. इसमें से this one is a primary button. These are secondary buttons. Technically, these are the ones which have a filled color. These are the ones which are bordered buttons. Okay, and then we have this. This we are going to look at it later, but let's just focus on this part as of now. Okay, so a lot of text that we have to work with right now. So first I'm going to pick the text tool and I'm going to click in this frame and write Nisha Kumari. Okay, I for sure see that this has a like super bold somewhat this is. I don't know what is going to be the exact font size because what I'm referring with right now is an image, you can't tell. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Let me make use of the rulers. So I'm gonna use the ruler. बिल्कुल ये जो text है ना उससे ऊपर से नीचे तक, and then I'm gonna keep my name. इसको frame में वापस डाल देती हूँ मैं, ठीक है? And then this entire body has to go from this to this. Okay, so I'll use the scale tool, which is shortcut K. Take this and then just scale it. And I think this sits perfectly. And what is this font size? 20. I'm just going to make it 22 for now. Okay, no decimals. Just going to make it 22 so far. Okay, and just align it as per the other elements as well. Snapping से आपको पता चल जाएगा, which is 16. ठीक है, gonna turn off the rulers. Oh, I feel it's not bold, it's semi bold. थोड़ा सा, so I'm gonna keep it semi bold. Okay, and I need to change the color as well. I'm gonna pick the color. Font by default I have used Inter here. In case you want to use Roboto, some other font that works well with you, you can use that. Then there is an icon which you can find in the assets panel, this one, which is called protect. Okay, I have named it that way, and I'm gonna just place it somewhat closer. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, and I'm just gonna again pick the color of the icon, and I can technically see that the color of this icon and this icon is somewhat similar. So I'm just gonna select this one, and whatever is the selection color there, which is 1F, 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 I'm gonna copy it, come here, click on the selection color and paste it. No need to keep picking them again. Okay, then there is a text called she and her. So I'm gonna duplicate it. You can use command D. Okay, and वो बिल्कुल उसी के ऊपर sit हो गया है. That's why you can't see it. But if you go to the layers panel, you will see this was the original layer. Duplicate किया तो एक और similar layer आ गया. ठीक है, you can move it somewhere else, and now can say she and her. Color is different. Again, fill में जाके we'll have to pick the color. ठीक है, it's very small. I guess I'm gonna keep it around 14. I think this would do. ठीक है, I'm gonna make it regular, medium, somewhat medium. Okay. ठीक है, and just place it. थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर कर देता है. Keep it 2. I'm using Alt to see the distances. ठीक है, okay. Somewhat same only, but I think slightly bigger. I'm gonna duplicate it. Another way to duplicate is you can click on this element, then press the key Option or Alt, and then click and drag. So this will also duplicate your element. Okay, I'm going to place it right here. Change the color. Again, I'm going to pick the color. Okay, and now this seems a bit bigger, so I'm going to keep it like 16, bit bigger. Okay, and मैं क्या करूँगी? I'm going to use rulers to align all the text. Okay, okay. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to align it. Okay, and now what we have to do, we just have to write everything that is there. So let's do that. Associate Vice President @Kotak Securities. Ta-da. And as you can see, by default, my text is flowing outside the frame and you can't even see it. What is happening? Let me tell you what is happening. So I'm just going to turn off the rulers as of now. So what is happening? ये जो आपका main frame है, जिसके अंदर ये आपका element रखा हुआ है, which is the text element that we are working right now. तो इस पे अगर आप जाओगे and you go to the right panel and with the layout, you will see this small thing called clip element. Clip is technically, पहले इसको turn off करके देखते हैं. Right now it's turned on. Turn off करके देखते हैं कि हो क्या रहा है. When I turn it off, so whatever that is going outside the frame, when clip content is turned off, that is visible. ठीक है? But the moment you click turn it on, whatever that goes beyond the frame, that is not visible. That is the only thing that is happening with clip content. ठीक है? But I need to see it. Plus it has to go नीचे. You can click enter, मतलब आप enter कर करके इसको नीचे लेके जा सकते हो. That's not, by the way, the smart way to do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this handle, click and drag, ठीक है, and align it with rest of the elements. And if you just come to the layout part while your text is being selected, you will see that in the resizing, technically, which is telling how your content will behave. ठीक है, so what is happening? Now it has a fixed width. ठीक है, width इसकी fix है जो मैंने यहाँ पे कर दी इसको लाके. And then the height is auto adjusting itself basis on जितना भी text content उसमें जा रहा है. So this is what is happening right now. ठीक है, so now we can keep typing. This is in LinkedIn one line. This is all one line. ठीक है, this Kotak Neo ये this is the next line. So hence also if you see, shall we do medium or regular? Like which looks closer? I think medium looks closer. But I think अभी ना थोड़ा space out ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Like the text that I have, which is थोड़ा because जैसे यहाँ पे these slashes थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे तो with your image reference होगा. But let me try reducing the space between letters for this text. How can you do so? With the text layer selected, go to the typography, and here you will find letter spacing, which right now is 0. You can click on it and use your arrow key to adjust it a bit. I think -2% would work. Okay, fair. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer again because I have to write the other layer. I'm going to turn on the ruler so that I know if I'm placing things right or not. This is where I want to place it. Okay. double click on this entire, whatever is written in the text layer, that gets selected, and then you can start typing the next thing, which is Kotak Neo. And then you see this little dot. It's very, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you'll have to focus a bit. This is a little dot. You can put it from the emojis. Okay, this is a dot, which is, I guess, this one. Yes. Oh, one more thing that I see, कि the text when it got wrapped, या फिर जब वो नीचे ऐसे आया, तो it is not exactly following the rulers that I had. So I may need to increase the distance between when things are wrapped a bit. How do you do that? Typography में line height that you can increase. So I'm going to use the arrow key upward and see just one. थोड़ा सा increase करने से it worked for me. Okay. I think this one is a bit smaller, so I'm going to use इसका जितना font size है वही मैं use कर लूँगी 14. So I'm going to use the 14 one. Okay. Place it accordingly. Then there is the next one, which is the location, and this has a color जो हमारा ये she और her का था. So I'm just going to select this, pick this color 7878, select this, come here, fill पे and control V. ठीक है? ठीक है, तो all our text is done. I'm gonna remove the rulers, and this is how all the description looks like. Now it's time to work on the CTAs. We have actually three types of CTAs going on. One is a text CTA, ठीक है, which is a button on which you can act, but it is only in the form of text. Another one is a proper button which has like a background and then a label on it and all of that. Usme bhi there are two types of the buttons that we have. One is the primary one is the secondary one, which is slightly lesser in visual hierarchy. थोड़ा देखने में कम strong है compared to this one, ठीक है. Then we have a button which is only icon button, जिसमें there is no label but the entire button has the icon as the label, ठीक है. So yes, these are the things. So let's focus on these things. So for the text button, I'm actually going to use this text only, ठीक है. But before I do so, I'm going to again use rulers. आप नए rulers create कर सकते हो, but I'm thinking to just मैं इन्हीं rulers को move कर देती हूँ, so that ऐसा नहीं हो कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ruler कर दूँ, ठीक है. So I'm just gonna use this one only. हाँ, for now इतना ही देखते हैं, ठीक है. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use this text only, duplicate it. But for this text CTA, this is a थोड़ा bold है, so I'm gonna make it bold. Shortcut Command B, but I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा bold हो गया. Let's do it semi bold, ठीक है. And then it has a color. Fill में जाके I can pick the color. So this is the color, ठीक है. And then double click on this, and now you can change the text. So book 1:1 session. Again emoji, command control space, ठीक है, hand. Then we see that there is an icon going on, which is like a link का icon, by the way. So we'll put that, but before that हम बाकियों को भी लिख लेते हैं. Okay. So let me go to the assets panel. This is the link icon. Copy, come here in the frame, paste. You have to put it here somewhere. The color is supposed to be same as जो इस text का है, so I'm gonna copy it from the fill. Selection में जाके paste, ठीक है. I have to make it smaller. I'm gonna eyeball it, but first lock the aspect ratio, ठीक है. Then I'm gonna reduce it. I'm gonna make it somewhat 16, ठीक है. And what is happening right now, मैं इसको ना इस बटन से like the text इससे थोड़ा सा दूर रखना चाहती हूँ, maybe like 4 pixel or something like that. But now what is happening, when I click on this and hover on this element and click on option, see what ये मुझे 126 दिखा रहा है, 203 दिखा रहा है, because the dimensions of this text goes from very left to very right, ठीक है. If I have to just see the distance यहाँ से till the icon, I have to end this right here where the text ends, and then place it, and then use Alt to see the distance, ठीक है. Okay, and this is our buttons done, text CTAs done. And now we are going to quickly look at these primary CTAs and all that. Very similar to how we created the search, ठीक है. We'll have to go use the rectangle tool. I'm going to use the shortcut R, place it right above on this corner radius, ठीक है. Move it slightly here. Pick shortcut for eyedropper tool. For now we have been picking it from the fill. Shortcut for it is I, ठीक है. So I'm going to use I, and then this is the color. Then I need the text. मैं इसको actually यहाँ रख देती हूँ, ठीक है. Then I'm going to duplicate the text, this one, ठीक है, and put it here. And because they both have same color, इसलिए वो दिख नहीं रहा है. In the fill, I'm going to make it white now, but still नहीं दिख रहा है. What is happening? So when I duplicate it, if you come to the layers panel, what is happening? कि this is my text layer that I just had. ठीक है, एंड द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ इट व्हेन आई हवर ऑन दिस, तो लेयर्स पैनल में स्लाइटली ग्रे कलर दिखेगा आपको, दैट इज वेयर द रेक्टेंगल इज. तो लेयर्स में जिस द रेक्टेंगल लेयर इज सिटिंग अबव द टेक्स्ट, तो वो उसको पूरा कवर कर रहा है, हेंस वो दिख नहीं रहा है. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू मूव, we have to move the text layer which is white in color above this rectangle. How do you do that? You can go to the layers panel, select this, click on this, click and drag. So you will see these different kinds of handle which is telling you where it is going. So right above, you have to stop right above rectangle 2, and now it is above rectangle 2, and now it's visible to you. Okay, and I'm gonna enter and then change the text, and I have to make sure again because मेरे को इसको center में align करना है. ठीक है, I need to change the width and make it exactly where my content for the text element ends. एक तरीका you can click and drag. Another is just double click on this. So it will snap or it will exactly end, the dimension will end wherever your text ended. तो आपको manually करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, right? And then you can just arrange it at the center. So this is our open to button is done. I'm going to select both and duplicate, alt करके and then click and drag. ठीक है, then अब इसके केस में हमको क्या करना है, this is a bordered one, so I have to make the fill as white, and because the text was also white, now nothing is visible to us. Give it a stroke which is technically border, make it the same color as जो हमने fill का दिया है for this button, so eyedropper tool. ठीक है, then use this, click this text layer, keep it the same color as this. ठीक है, and then change the text. Now one thing, it is already at the center of this button with the background. ठीक है, अभी क्या हो रहा है, अगर मैं इसको डायरेक्ट चेंज करने जाऊंगी तो अगेन इट विल, बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट द टेक्स्ट, फिर से मुझे इसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा, देन आई विल हैव टू अलाइन इट सेंटर. बट आई, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी एट द सेंटर, इज देयर अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि जो भी मैं टेक्स्ट अभी एंटर करूँ वो समहाउ हमेशा मतलब टेक्स्ट सेंटर में ही रहे. यू कैन डू दैट. सो इन द टाइपोग्राफी अलाइनमेंट में राइट नाउ इट इज लेफ्ट अलाइन, मतलब वट एवर यू विल एंटर एज अ वैल्यू इन दिस टेक्स्ट का एलिमेंट, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. If I change it to align center, so now whatever value you put in, it will start from the center. Example, if I say A, तो वो center में ही है. ठीक है, then I D, तो ये center से बाहर जा रहा है. So right, so you'll have, don't, आपको manually इसको बार बार center में नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so this is what we can do. And then the third button which is very similar to this, duplicate करूँगी मैं इसको. I'm gonna turn on the ruler so that I know where it sits, somewhat here. ठीक है, एंड इसका जो डिमेंशन है ना वो पूरा जा रहा है. सो आई एम गोना क्लिक एंड एक्चुअली मोर समवॉट हियर 16 एंड इसको अब हमको सेंटर में डालना ही पड़ेगा. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना क्लिक एंड ड्रैग हियर. स्नैप से पता चल गया. ठीक है, एंड देन बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी अलाइंड एट द सेंटर, वट एवर आई एड एज अ वैल्यू हियर सेंटर में ही रहेगा. ठीक है, एंड द लास्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू इज दिस आइकन विच इज अ आइकन बटन. फॉर दैट आई नीड अ लाइक अ सर्कल. ठीक है, I think this is very similar to what we have here except few things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take both. ठीक है, click, drag with the alt or option key pressed on your keyboard, so this will duplicate. ठीक है, तो ये duplicate हो गया. ये जो पीछे का बैकग्राउंड है जो अभी हमको नहीं दिख रहा है बट हमें पता है, इसको एक स्ट्रोक देना है हमको. So I'm going to do that. ठीक है, which is black in color. I'm going to change it, eyedropper tool, zoom, pick the color. ठीक है, this is how it is happening. Okay, I think I need to adjust the buttons a bit. ठीक है, and now I just have to replace this icon with this more, this icon. You can find it in the assets. This is the one. Copy. ठीक है, paste. But before I replace it, मैं direct इसमें डालूँ, I just want to see what is the dimension of it. It is 16 by 16, so I'm going to make it 16 by 16. ठीक है, then Command X, select this. And you don't have to remove this and put something else in here. There's a shortcut called Command Shift R or Control Shift R. And जो भी आपके clipboard पे अभी copied है, जो हमारे केस में अभी वो डॉट 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 वाला आइकन है. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैंने उसको कट किया है. You can copy भी कर सकते हो आप. And you can click on Command Shift R. तो जो भी आपके clipboard पे selected था, अब वो replace हो गया है इससे. And now this description area is done for us. There's open to work and stuff. For now, for this video, I'm not gonna work on this. हम directly analytics part पे काम करेंगे. And yeah, part 2 is done.